Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Mastergeko4. I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be doing a restoration video on these two computers. So basically what I'm going to do in this video is, so I've got some rubbing alcohol here. So when you spray this on a paper towel, and you rub on all this scuffs and all the black marks on it, it will be cleaned and go away. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. And another thing that I'm going to experiment with is this. This is hydrogen peroxide. And what I've heard is that if you put this in a plastic bag and put yellowed plastic into it, it will retrobrite it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be retrobriting some of my keyboard keys. And I'm also going to be cleaning up scuffs in this video. So yeah, let's get to this video. Right guys, so first up we're going to be cleaning up my Macintosh SE 1988 model. So as you can see, for example right here, there's a little bit of blackness. So we're going to try and take that away. So what you got to do, so I have some toilet paper here, it's all I could find. And you have the rubbing alcohol. I have this rubbing alcohol. I hope this works. My mom just had this and I needed some, but she found it and I decided to use it. So what you do is you spray it on and then you just clean it up. Oh, there we go. It's all gone. Some of the scuffs are a little more hard and it takes a little scrubbing to take them away, but there's almost always a way to get them away. So yeah, there we go. I just finished. That was pretty easy. So I'm going to do a time-lapse video of cleaning this machine. So for your convenience, because this is going to be very long. So yeah, let's start that. Right guys, so now we're going to be moving on to my Macintosh Classic. So the reason I'm using a toothbrush is because they're very good at getting in between all the yucky vents. So it's good to use a toothbrush that has never been used before and spray it with rubbing alcohol to get all the hard gunk out of there. Also, another thing I learned is that if you have really stubborn scuffs on them, black stuff that you should be able to get out but just won't come out, I recommend using baking soda, because baking soda is pretty good, but it sort of removes a little bit of the layers of a little layer of plastic on the computer, but it will get it away and no one will ever notice that the texture is a little different. But yeah, now we're going to move to the Macintosh Classic cleaning and restoration. Right guys, so I'm taking apart the mouse now, and I'm going to clean a few of the parts, like the little crevices and stuff, and the ball, which is usually the grossest part, and I'm also going to clean up the cable, so yeah. Right guys, so now I'm going to remove every single key on the keyboard to get rid of all the gunk under them, because it's very gross under there usually. So yeah, I'm going to do that, clean it all up. Also clean the sides of the keys because it's going to be easier. And yeah, so yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be doing the retrobriting process. So this process, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be retrobriting all of the numeric keys and the case of the mouse, which I cleaned and going to retrobrite, and the numeric keys. in this section. Also, it's good to use a toothbrush for these parts, or use a screwdriver with a little bit of paper tissue and like go through little things. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So now I'm gonna do the retrobrighting process. How it works is either you put it under an ultraviolet light and it takes 12 hours, or you leave it outside and it'll take 5 hours. So in the day we have about 3 hours, but I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But we're gonna continue this video and do that. So yeah, let's get to this. Right, guys, unfortunately that's gonna be the end of this video. So I was going to do the retrobrite process, but I couldn't because today it's like all rainy and cloudy and there's not enough sun. And this week I'm in school, so I can't stay 5 hours at home, and I can't just leave it outside while I'm at school. It just won't work. And anyway, the keyboard or everything else isn't that yellowed anyway, so there's no point in doing it. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I have some good news. So I now have a website, so you can go check that out. The link is in the description below. But you can find out all this information. Like you can contact me to donate an old computer or game console for my YouTube channel, and I'll give you credit when I make a video on it. And I also will. And there's also a bunch of other cool things there, so go check it out. Links in the description below. But it's still a work in progress, so there's not going to be much on it. The donation page is open, so you can email me with what you want to donate, and I'll most likely approve of it if it was made from the 1990s or under, or if it's a old vintage item or something. Anyway, so that's it for today's episode. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do next. And stay tuned this week for my Crash Club videos, which I upload every weekday. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Check out my website. Please leave a like down below and subscribe. And comment down below what you want me to do next in my videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.